Hello, I'm the Cube Master, and today I'm going to show you how to solve a 2x2 Rubik's Cube. Now, before learning how to solve a 2x2 Rubik's Cube, I highly recommend learning how to solve a 3x3. Even though the 2x2 is way easier, 3x3 concepts are still good to know when solving this 2x2. For this method of 2x2 solving, there are three algorithms to learn. If you know algorithm notation, I'll be showing the algorithm notation for each algorithm, and feel free to pause the video and write them down. If you don't know algorithm notation, I will also be showing how to perform the algorithm so you don't have to know the notation. Also, if you don't know algorithm notation and you would like to know, please watch my Rubik's Cube tutorial on algorithm notation. To perform the fast 4 algorithm on a 2x2 Rubik's Cube, take the right side of the cube, rotate it 90 degrees counterclockwise, take the top of the cube, rotate it 90 degrees clockwise, take the right of the cube, rotate it 90 degrees clockwise, take the top of the cube, and rotate it 90 degrees counterclockwise. To perform the 2x2 switcheroo, take the top side, rotate it counterclockwise, take the right side, rotate it counterclockwise, and keep rotating them, alternating the top side and the right side until those two pieces are switched and the rest of the cube is solved. To perform the Newton's cradle algorithm on a 2x2 Rubik's Cube, take the top side of the cube, rotate it 90 degrees clockwise, take the right side of the cube, rotate it 90 degrees clockwise, take the top side again, and rotate it 90 degrees counterclockwise, take the left side of the cube and rotate it 90 degrees counterclockwise, take the top side again, rotate it 90 degrees clockwise, take the right side of the cube and rotate it 90 degrees counterclockwise, take the top side of the cube again once again, rotate 90 degrees counterclockwise, and to finish, take the left side of the cube, rotate it 90 degrees clockwise. Alright, let's get started. The first step in solving a 2x2 Rubik's Cube is to solve one side. I usually solve the green side first. This is really easy to figure out on your own. You just find a green corner, and bring it up, and try to get it in the right spot. Your goal is to make the green side not only be solved, but also the whole green side layer has to be solved as well. Next, you want to find one corner and make sure that it is in the right spot in relation to the green layer. Like this blue, yellow, and purple corner here is in the right spot. Then you put the good corner in the top right corner of your solve and perform the Newton's cradle algorithm. You might encounter a situation where two corners are in the right spot and the other two are not. For this, you'll have to grab the two that are not in the right spot, hold them in the bottom left corner of the front side, and perform the 2x2 switcheroo algorithm. But what if they are across from each other? Well, in that case, you'll have to perform the Newton's cradle algorithm until they are right next to each other, like that, and then you'll grab the two that are wrong and perform the 2x2 switcheroo. Once all the corners are in place on the last layer, you'll then need to rotate them. So you pick a corner that needs to be rotated, put it in the back top left corner, and perform the fast 4 algorithm twice or 4 times until that corner is rotated. But if you notice, the rest of the cube is not solved, so you'll have to take the left side and rotate it to put the other bad corner in that top left back position and perform the fast 4 algorithm another 2 or 4 times until the whole cube is solved, and then we'll just take a simple rotation to put it in its right spot again. Now, I know solving a 2x2 isn't as impressive as solving a 3x3 or a 7x7, but it's still handy to know. Don't click like unless you enjoyed the video, and don't subscribe unless you want more. Goodbye.